Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Um, Today I want to introduce about database provider. So what is the database provider? So this package enable the NTP record to communication efficiency with the SQL Server. So retrieving and sending data as required. So um, installing a database provider. So this is quite simple. The data provider are available as a NuGet package. So you have two main way to install them. First of all, I mentioned before that in here. You can open through the tools and then through the NuGet package manager, and then you will see package manager control here. So you can see the package manager control here and at the below of the board. Okay, so and then you also can right click here. You open the manage NuGet package for the solution. So in here you can browse the package. For example, if I browse the Microsoft Entity Core SQL Server, right, this one. So you scroll down here, you will see the install button. So when you install, this button will dim. So I already installed this. I don't need to install. So you can see the other kind of version here. Right. Okay. So regarding using the package matrix control, you have to type the command. For example, you have to type install package Microsoft Entity Framework, right, for SQL Server. So the name here is exactly same to this name. So make sure that yeah, it's case sensitive. So I installed it. I don't need to install now. So this will install the necessary package for the SQL Server. So just choose whichever method is more convenient for you. So and then but why we need two different data provider? There are three key reasons. First, compatibility. So compatibility is important. The second is performance optimization. So regarding the performance optimization, using the right data provider can significantly enhance the performance. Many providers come with the data specific optimization that improve the efficiency of your application. So cross-platform compatibility and also need to consider because we can use the entity framework at the Linux in the Windows and also can work at the Mac OS. So it's cross-platform support, so it's very convenient for you to use your run your application in different kinds of platform. So and then how to choose the right provider? So remember that every data requires its own unique provider. So select the one that fit your need. Okay, very easy. So how to configure your data provider? So the details that for configuring the provider will be covered in other video. So stay tuned for that. Okay, thanks for watching and see you next time. Okay, bye bye.